Hello loves, welcome to UniekMakes by Cristina. Today I finally have a Dollar General haul to share with you. I went to a few of them earlier today and I was finally able to find one that was in stock. The main one that I go to still had their Christmas at 70% off. I did get a few things from that, which I did find. But yeah, the second location had the Valentine stuff. But let me show you what Valentine stuff I got, and then I'll show you a little bit of the Christmas. But with that, let's go ahead and check them out. Okay, I love stickers. So I was glad to be able to find some stickers at the Dollar General. So on some of them I did get two, but majority I got one. The first one I want to show you, which I got two of them, is these ice cream Happy Valentine. This is like it's not puffy, but it's a little dimension, a little bit. Look at that. And this does not say how many you get. No, it just says one sheet. But look at all the cutie patooties on that. How cute is that? So I got those ones. And then I did also haul these heart stickers. And they got glitter also. I don't know if it does justice, but look at how beautiful that is. So I got two of those. That's actually real nice. Now some of them have like a clear accent to it, and then some of it's flat. So it's a mix. I got that one. Oh, I saw this one and I was like, OMG. Look how cute he is. Look at that. The cutie patootie. Look at that. And I love the red. The heart is foiled. So I got those ones. Oh, I love stickers. And then I also have the sloth. Look how cute he is. That's real nice. I love it. OMG, I love it. I love stickers. Stickers all day, every day. I used to collect the Garbage Pail stickers when I was younger. Now, this one here, I only found one. I would like to get another one, so hopefully once my other locations stock up, I could buy some more. Look at that. Look at the little kitten. I'm a furry mama, so I do have two dogs, but before I used to get dogs, I used to have kittens all the time. Well, cats. So I love them all. So I got that one. And I also picked up some bags. There's 3 different ones, but the ones I picked were these ones, and you get 15 count. So I got the hearts on the pink background with the polka dots. Got 2 of those. And then I also, of course, got the cherry, because this one you could use it all the time. I also got those ones. I was also able to get my hand on some of these clips with the pink heart. Look at that. I got one of those. And I also got the one in red and white. It saves time on making my own. So I got that one. Now I'll have these felt stickers, and you get 20 count. You get 20 of them, which is the heart and the locking. The lock. Now I wanted more of these, but they only had the one. So I got that one. And the best thing, I finally got my hands on these stickers. Jimmy stickers. So if you've seen the other hauls, you do get the heart, the bow, the smaller pink heart, and even a smaller red heart. So I did get 3 of those. And then I also have the one with the roses. I thought these were super cute. Now I do have some of these roses that I do for DIY beatable pins. But since these already had adhesive, I wanted these also. So I got that one. And then the last two things of Valentine is these two ribbon. I did get this dark pink with the white hearts. I got that one. And like I said, those were $1. And then I found this beaded one, a beaded ribbon, and that was also $1. I got those. Now those are my Valentine stuff. Let me show you what I did buy for the Christmas that I did find. Now Christmas is at 70%, I think I saw it as. But I did get this red ribbon because you could also use it for Valentine's Day, and it's a glitter one, so I got that. And this one was 12 feet. And then the best thing I did buy, now I got 3 of these, well actually, yeah, 3 of these. And these are sticker books, and you get 25. Let me show you. Look at this. I saw these, I was like, oh yes, I need this in my life. Look at that. How cute are these? Those are real nice stickers. Get that one. Get the little panda. I mean the polar bear. You can get like little cut apart type stickers. That. I like these for like packaging. So I got that. Got 3 books of those. And this one was my favorite here. Look at that. You had 250 sticker book. And watch when you see that. Look at OMG. How cute are these? Look at that. This one right here was my theme for my bathroom. Look at that. Oh, love, love. So yeah, I was able to get the leftover ones that they had. It was in a little box, so I was able to get these. Look at that. Real nice. So I did get 3 of those. But yeah, that is my little General Dollar. Finally got a haul for them, and finally was able to find some good things. I love it all that I was able to get. But yeah, leave it a little comment below. Let me know if you're able to find this stuff at your Dollar General. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification so you know when I do upload a video. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye bye.